The tune that we're going to be arranging today is Tad Dameron's Lady Bird, and this is a medium swing tune, um, happy bebop style tune. 16 bars long. We're going to play it twice to give us a total of 32 bars, which is a lot to work with. The melody is fairly syncopated, but not overly busy. There's not a ton of notes, and there's a lot of repetition, which also we can exploit. The phrasing is two 8-bar phrases spread out over the 16, and again, we're playing it twice to give us 32. The melodic range is from a C sharp up to this C, a major seventh above, so it's a pretty small melodic range. And if we look at the notes themselves, where they sit on the staff, its melody is hovering in the middle to the bottom part of the staff. So that allows us to play this in a bunch of different registers for a bunch of different instruments. So that also works in our favor. So there's a lot here to work with, and let's get started.